Have you noticed this? You walk into a shop, prices are higher, again. But here's the weird part. Nobody seems to be buying more. People are tired, budgets are tight, sales are slow. So why are prices still going up? Today, I want to show you the quiet machine that pushes prices higher even when demand is weak. No jargon, no economics degree. Just something you feel every time you check your bank balance. And once you see it, you'll never look at money the same way again. When we're younger, we're taught a simple idea. More demand equals higher prices. Less demand equals lower prices. Sounds logical, right? Like exam stress. More pressure, more anxiety. Less pressure, calm. But real life doesn't work that cleanly. Because prices aren't just about what people want, they're also about systems quietly running in the background. Systems you never agreed to, but you live inside. And that's where the machine starts. Think about burnout. You stop caring, you stop trying as hard, but stress doesn't go down. Deadlines still exist, bills still come, expectations don't magically disappear. Inflation works the same way. Even when people pull back, even when spending slows, pressure stays. Because the machine doesn't turn off just because you are tired. So what is this machine? Let's make this painfully simple. Imagine the economy like a group project. Money is the energy keeping everyone moving. Now imagine the group leader says, "Hey, things are slowing down. Let's add more energy." So they do. They inject money into the system. Loans get easier. Interest rates stay low. Credit flows. Sounds helpful, right? But here's the catch. That money doesn't disappear when demand cools. It stays, floating, competing, pushing. So even if fewer people want stuff, there's still more money chasing the same essentials: rent, food, transport, education. And prices don't fall. They rise, quietly, relentlessly. But that's not even the scariest part. The scariest part is who feels it first. If you're rich, inflation is annoying. If you're young, it's crushing. Because you're not buying luxury stuff, you're buying basics. Rent doesn't care about your motivation. Groceries don't care about your goals. Fees don't care about your potential. So when prices rise during weak demand, it's not because things are hot, it's because the machine is protecting the system, not the people. And nobody explains this to students or first job workers or anyone trying to get ahead. They just say, budget better, work harder, be patient. But patience doesn't beat a broken system, understanding does. So what do you actually do with this? 3 things. First, stop blaming yourself. If everything feels harder than it should, you're not lazy. You're playing on a tilted field. That matters for your mental health. Second, protect your cash flow, not just your savings. Inflation eats stored money quietly. Skills, income streams, flexibility, those fight back. Learn something that compounds, even slowly. Third, spend intentionally, not emotionally. When prices rise, panic spending feels good short term, but awareness is power. Ask once before every purchase, is this helping future me or calming present me? That one question saves more money than most hacks. I wish someone told me this earlier. I used to think I was bad with money, that I just wasn't disciplined enough. Turns out, I just didn't understand the machine. And once you see it, you stop feeling small. So remember this, prices can rise even when demand falls because money systems don't run on feelings, they run on momentum. The machine keeps moving. Your job is to stop being confused by it. You don't need to beat the system overnight. You just need to stop being invisible to it. Tonight, try this. Look at one expense, just one. Understand why it exists. That awareness is step 1. We're not late, we're early learners. And if you want to level up together, Stay curious, stay calm, and keep asking better questions. I'll see you in the next one.